Bonjour, nandito ay mga kanadog. Minong gishep. Bin again, nungo manishnabe mo in geek non jigewin. Sterling nish nakaz magizi in the nindinishnabe nakaz win. Welcome to Words of the Day in Ojibwe. My name is Sterling. Your words for today are colors. We'll go over colors again. So red is Misko. Black, Makade. White, Wabshke. Yellow, Ozawe. Green, Ojawa. Blue, Gijibago. Brown, Akiwande. Purple, Minande. Gray, Wabande. So there's a couple other words I want to throw in there as well, and that's gibatis, means acting silly. Kijajige, flirting. Nikijajige, I'm flirting. Gishajige, you're flirting. Try not to be too gibatis when you're kijajige, flirting, because you're gonna feel main shamed them after. Aho, Miigwech, Miigwech, Gigawabaman, Meno, Bamatis win.